Hello, today I've got new GoPro Hero 7 Black, and unfortunately I was a bit disappointed as GoPro got a small error on the website. It says you get adhesive mounts, and after I unpacked the Hero 7 Black, purchased straight from GoPro website by the way, I realized there is only one mount included in the box. And to my even bigger surprise, it is the round one, so which goes mainly on helmets. To me, GoPro basically expecting you to just go and buy more and more stuff straight away. So anyway, I have done some research and found that GoPro website charged $24.99 for set of mounts, which is to me really huge money for these little bits, which are worth clearly a couple pounds. You can get those from Amazon for $5, so I have included links in the description for Amazon made mounts and holders made especially for GoPro, which are like 4 times cheaper than original GoPro mounts. Check it out. Thanks for watching.